What's up, guys? Matthew here from Phenomenal Vinyl. We have this Lucid Air in. Now, this thing is brand new. It is a fully electric car. So in case you guys are curious, I'll end up actually showing the inside as well. That way you guys could see. The lights tend to go from side to side too, what I noticed on the front and the rear as well. This whole car was protected in the Xpel Stealth paint protection film. So the whole car has the Xpel Stealth on it. Now on the gloss parts though, like this, and also the gloss black right on that bottom, all of that is all in the gloss paint protection film. So this whole car is covered and protected. And it's on every little surface. Now afterwards, we did end up also ceramic coating it as well. So this whole car is ceramic coated on top of the paint protection film. These trunks are huge. And the hood is a very big hood. Goes all the way around. Actually, didn't register the key. But it doesn't have frameless doors, so should be a little quieter on the inside. But we'll show you guys the rest as well if you guys check out our Instagram.